In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add code snippets to a Confluence page using the built-in code block macro. By the end of this video, you'll know how to display formatted code with syntax highlighting, making your documentation much easier to read. Start by opening the Confluence page where you want to add your code and click Edit. Next, insert a code block by typing code and selecting code block from the menu. You can also click the Insert menu in the toolbar and choose Code Block. Once the code block appears, paste your code into the editor. You can add code written in languages such as Python, Java, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, SQL, and many others. After pasting your code, select the appropriate programming language from the language dropdown. This enables syntax highlighting, making your code easier to read and understand. If needed, resize the code block or make any edits before publishing your page. You can also preview the page to make sure the formatting looks the way you want. When you're finished, click Publish or Update to save your changes. That's how to add code snippets in Confluence. Thanks for watching.